Thank you for always watching our videos. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today we are coming to you from Nsuatre in the Bono region of Ghana. That is the Sunyani West District. Today this is our last video that we are showing you of Nsuatre. This is the Chief's Palace. Very beautiful and nice building that you can see over there. Nsuatre is a beautiful town. We have shown you two videos from Nsuatre, one from the market and one from the main town. And I know you are going to love this video. This is the Chief's Palace. That's on the Nsuatre Sunyani Road. On your left, you take through the market. On your left, opposite the market, there is a road there. That's where you take to the Chief's Palace. You are on the Sunyani Road, heading towards the famous Abdensat Hotel. Abdensat, that's well noted for the Abdensat publications. I know most of our students will know about Abdensat publications. This is their hotel in Nsuatre, and it's a very beautiful hotel. As you can see in the shots right now, Nsuatre is a very beautiful town with nice and beautiful way of setting. Like the buildings has been laid out very well and very nice, as you can see from our previous shots. And we are giving you a nice shot from the whole town. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would just entreat you to please do well to subscribe to the channel. We are about 30 subscribers just to get to 1,000 subscribers. And please, I will entreat you to just click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. We are hoping that the channel will reach the 1,000 subscribers before the end of this week. So please do well and subscribe to the channel. And also please do well to share the video for others to watch. If you have never visited Nsuatre before, this is Nsuatre on the Sunyani Berekum Road. From Nsuatre, some few kilometers, then you will get to Berekum. You will love this town. It's a very nice and beautiful old town in the bonoregion of Ghana, previously the DroneII region. Please, we have promised you that we are going to give you quality and nice videos of towns and projects and events that we feel that will be very helpful to all of us, and it's going to give us education of how our environment and how our towns and villages are all looking like. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share our videos for others to watch. This is the Nsuatre Berekum main road. Just been under this mango tree on ahead of us, you just see a lot of fruits. That's the fruit market of Nsuatre. The people sell a lot of fruit, and when you come here, you get any type of fruit that you want. Just under this mango tree on our left hand, yeah, you get everything there, and you will enjoy the serene environment in Nsuatre. Nsuatre is a very nice and quiet town. Please.